Did you know that installing IPTV on Roku unlocks a thrilling world of endless streaming possibilities? Roku, a favorite streaming device, offers native channels, but integrating IPTV can supercharge your experience. While Roku doesn't support regular IPTV apps directly, there's a clever workaround you can capitalize on effectively. First, ensure your Roku device is connected and operating smoothly with all necessary updates completed promptly. You'll need a reliable IPTV service provider. We recommend 2tv.store for premier channels and seamless streaming. Link your IPTV provider's account to your Roku through a third-party streaming app readily available in stores. Download a screen mirroring app on your smart device to send IPTV content directly to your Roku effortlessly. Once everything is set, access a vast library of live TV and programs on your television with crystal clarity. There you have it. You've turned your Roku into a versatile media hub filled with endless entertainment options. Enjoy the endless entertainment possibilities with your new IPTV setup on Roku and explore a world of content. Download your IPTV needs through 2tv.store and transform your Roku viewing into an ultimate household experience.